Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of News in 2 Minutes, bringing you the news that you need to know every day. Let's begin. Skywatchers have confirmed that near-Earth asteroid 2003 DZ-15 will fly past Earth at a distance of 3.5 million kilometers from the planet this Monday. The asteroid is nearly 7 times the size of the Russian meteor that struck Earth earlier this year, however poses no threat due to its distance from Earth and its steadfast trajectory. The asteroid does, however, add to a growing list of near-Earth misses that has some astronomers questioning the increase, and for those interested can be watched online at the Virtual Telescope Project Monday night, or more specifically 2200 UT 6 p.m. EDT on the 29th. At least 11 people were killed in heavy fighting across Egypt during massive protests that have sent millions of pro- and anti-government protesters into the streets. Millions of Egyptians continued to rally to the call of the army throughout the night, however live cameras appeared to have been shut off as soon as reports came in that the military may have exchanged fire with an opposition group into the evening. A letter sent from the U.S. Attorney General made mention of assurances that you may not expect out of a free and diplomatic country, saying that the U.S. would give its word to Russia that it would not torture, harmfully interrogate, or punish the NSA fugitive Edward Snowden with death if he is returned to the United States. Temperatures in Siberia continue to reach record highs as an unprecedented heat wave continues through the central Arctic region of Russia, with some locations enduring 10 consecutive days at near record highs of 90 degrees. In economic news, JP Morgan, who owns nearly 3 million U.S. home power contracts and is one of the 10 largest natural gas traders, is exiting the physical commodities market, a sign that leading economists say shows the seriousness of the world's financial situation. Researchers have found that 3D printers release up to 2 billion nanoparticles per minute and have caused documented cases of ailments including upper respiratory disease and hospital admittance for stroke. And to wrap things up, 2 bombs exploded in Pakistan, killing 40 in continued fights between sectarian groups. Ice at the North Pole has melted, forming a shallow lake, and a volcanic alert has been issued for the White Island volcano in New Zealand following a string of powerful earthquakes. And that's it for this episode of News in 2 Minutes. Check back tomorrow for more news that the aware need the most. This week's News in 2 Minutes is brought to you by SHTFplan.com, where even the officials go for news, and SQmetals.com for all your precious metal needs.